Hey you guys, I have this pot here that my husband cooked chili in, and it is scorched at the bottom. Now usually something like this would take like a good overnight soak and some elbow grease the next morning, but I found a solution that will probably get this out in about 30 minutes to an hour. So I have some dish soap. You can use any kind of dish soap you have. It doesn't have to be this brand. I have some baking soda and I have some white distilled vinegar. Okay, so I'm going to start off with putting in some of my dish soap. Okay, and then I'm going to put in some baking soda. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in some white distilled vinegar. So you can see that it's bubbling up. So I have some hot water running here, and I'm going to go ahead and fill this with hot water. Okay, so this is how the pot looks after an hour. So I'm going to take a cloth, and I'm going to go ahead and dump out. I'm going to run some hot water. Well, as you can see, it's starting to come off without me even wiping. And look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? So what would have taken a whole day or an overnight soak took literally in an hour. And that's it, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if it worked for you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.